my new build. This is a little bit different than usual. As you can see, we're not doing the die-cast model today. We're actually taking part in the MLM build a plastic kit, starter kit for under £15. So I didn't get a kit, I decided to actually print my own. So I went on to Thingiverse and I found this model, which is the Space 1999 Jerry and Silver Anderson's Eagle transporter. And yeah, I thought, well, do you know what? I'm going to print it, and it's plastic. I'm going to be gluing it together and painting it, and it cost under £15. It actually works out about £1.19 in worth of PLA plastic, which to print these parts. It took me just on 20 hours in total, and as you can hear in the background, I'm just running up the last set of these, and they come in twos, so I'm printing off another set of them, and then that's the full model. So I'm going to get that piece together once that's done, and then we're going to paint it up. So next time you see it, I'll probably do a couple normal and then do the rest in time lapse, just to get them all sprayed up and ready to go, and then we'll assemble it. So yeah, so stay tuned guys, and I'll see you in the paint booth. Cheers. Right, welcome back. I'm just going to rattle can these guys from outside today. It's not a bad day, so I'm just flash with the rattle can. Right, just going to let that dry off for a bit and give it a second coat and see how it turns out. Right, it's been about 10 minutes now, this is tacked off, so I'm going to give it another coat. Just turn it around a bit. The missus just come out there. Coffee. to paint as well. I think that should be alright though, to be fair. That should be that. It's a lovely day here, so I just thought I'd give you a little view of what I've got outside my front door. This is the view from my front garden. Which on a nice day, it's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, anyway, back inside now, carry on, I'll catch you in a bit. Okay guys, welcome back. So far I've painted them all up white, and I've used some bit of a wash that I've made myself here out of like Indian ink and some white vinegar. Basically I've coated them all, waited a few minutes and then just brushed it off a little bit, and then used the same procedure with the same stuff, and then like dry brushed just to like weather them up a little bit, give them a little bit of detail. Some like silver sharpies and Vallejo black and red and what have you, and then like just added a little bit of like to appear like space dust type of grime and wear and tear and what have you, because they didn't want it looking perfectly white, because I think it looks better when it looks a little bit worn. I also took it a bit extreme, but I scratched a few bits here and there, so when I went over with the wash it sort of like fell into place. You can see it a little bit more on this one. It just gives the appearance of like rubble or what have you, space crap, what is it, debris, space debris, that's it. Just like catching it as it was in flight, as it was. And on the landing pods they've got these sorted as well, give them a little bit of weathering. I say it's the first time I've ever weathered anything, to be fair, like, so it's all new to me. So I hope I've done it justice a little bit. I took reference from pictures and been watching old series from Space 1999. So I've been enjoying myself watching it while I've been painting this. It's been quite funny. So yeah, I just like copied one of the ships to the markings that I best could, you know. So bit of charcoal looking in there, like soot and what have you. Painted them silver, bit of red and white, and then same procedure with the Indian ink wash, just to dull it down a little bit and make it look well, like used and worn and what have you. So basically now I've done the rails as well, a little bit of wear and tear on them. I've got to get myself some glue now and start putting it together. So hopefully I'll film a little bit of that, or if not, you'll see the final results once it's all put together and it's ready to go. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying it so far. I'm absolutely love doing this. It's brought back so many memories from my childhood watching the space show. I used to love it when I was a kid, but watching it back now, it's so like really pathetic and stupid, but it's still great in the same sense. It's like, it's good, you know. Anyway, enough of that. So I'm gonna crack on. So next thing you'll see it, either me putting it together or it being complete. So see you very shortly. Cheers guys, thanks a lot. Hello guys, welcome back. This is how far I've got so far now with the eagle. I've managed to paint it up and put it all together. I've had a little go at weathering, but I didn't want to like overdo it too much. I just put like a little bit of grime on it, dust and grime and what have you, just to give it a little bit of character. So I hope you guys like it. As I say, I'm working on a little bit of a diorama. It's nothing too special. It's just something to like put the eagle next to, take a couple of pictures with, you know. It's nothing fantastic, but anyway, I'm gonna go and work on that. Just thought I'd pop this in now, let you have a little look, and I'll crack on with this diorama, and then hopefully the next shot you should see everything together. So thank you very much for watching. Stick with it, and yeah, the next bit will follow. Cheers. Hi, welcome back, guys. Sorry to say the diorama was a failure, so here's just a few snapshots of the finishing model. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers. Bye bye.